Most people overcomplicate starting an online business. They think they need to create their own products, set up a website, figure out payment processing, also write emails, run ads, and spend months learning before they see a dime. That's what all the so-called gurus will tell you. But here's the truth. You don't need to build everything from scratch. There's a smarter way to start earning online without the hassle, stress, or guesswork. With the Legacy Builder business model, you can use a fully automated system that's already set up for you. No product creation, no cold calling, no inventory. You just plug in, follow the Launch to Profit plan, and start making daily pay. People just like you are using this system to make their first $600 days while letting automation do most of the work. Once it's set up, it runs 24/7, allowing you to earn while you live your life. If that sounds better than wasting your time trying to figure it all out, click the link below this video and let's get you started.